This is a song called Cornfields Are Lying in Water. It's a song about all the flooding that happened in the Midwest this year. I saw a lot of it in May when I was driving around there. 2019 was the year from hell. That's when the rains just fell and fell. Old Man River just couldn't take no more. Arkansas, Illinois, Tennessee, Missouri, Oklahoma, and Mississippi. The people of the Midwest know when it rains it pours. The cornfields are lying in water. The Mississippi's high on its banks. If they don't get those seeds planted, those farmers will be in the tank. Mother Nature was unkind, flooded old Interstate 29, and left a lot of struggling farmers with no hope. Farms that fed this country are now lakefront property, and thousands of producers are trying to cope. The cornfields are lying in water. The Mississippi's high on its banks. If they don't get those seeds planted, they're gonna be in the tank. How will Midwest families feed their sons and daughters? It's hard to ride a tractor in water. Some had no insurance, most had little help. They never saw this coming, just like lambs to the slaughter. The cornfields are lying in water. The Mississippi's high on its banks. If they don't get those seeds planted, those farmers will be in the tank. From the rising waters, the rising waters, the rising waters, from the Midwest riverbank.